Hi, in preparation for reading The Big Game, which is Primary Phonics Series 2, Book 2, let's go ahead and write the title of the book on the top of the first page. The title is The Big Game. Oh, and I should make that B a capital B because it's the title. The Big Game. What is going to make that A say A? A silent E. The Big Game. I wonder what kind of game they're going to play. Any guesses? It's kind of hard to tell. We'll find out in a minute. Before we start reading, let's make sure that we understand the words, that we can read these silent E words. Our focus concept is long vowels with silent E. Okay, so we're going to review that and also the sight words that are in the book. Ace, base. Remember, A with a vowel after says A, ace, base. Game, eight, late. Time, time. Aim, came. Home, Mike. That's the name of a boy. Maybe that's the main character. Mike. Fine, fine. Hope. Safe, safe. I, this, well, and, said, to, will, be, the, was. Practice that, all of the words, as many times as it takes, and we'll be back in a minute to look at the story, The Big Game. Hi. So good readers, remember, read every day. They use reading strategies to help them understand the story better. One of those strategies is to ask questions of yourself while you're reading, and to also stop and restate what has happened in your own words. So going beyond what you see in print and talking about what you see here and restating what you have read. I want you to think about what you are reading, and don't forget to share and talk about it with your chat partner at home. The story is The Big Game. Mike came to the game late. Okay, we have the quotation marks. That means someone is going to talk, and it looks like it's Mike talking. So try to get your Mike voice on if you can. Can I get in the game? Can I get in the game? Said Mike. I am not big, but I can hit well. Okay, so which one do you think Mike is? It's hard to tell. It kind of looks like, could this be Mike and then he's putting his hand out, seeing if he can get in the game? Okay, and he wants to play. He's late to the game. I'm restating what I have read. Do you think the other kid is going to let him play? Okay, let's see. I'm not sure. And what are they playing? It wasn't clear on the first page. What are they playing? Baseball. Okay, so even if you don't know a lot about baseball, we have to know some things about it in order to understand this story. So do you know that you're supposed to hit the ball with this baseball bat? Do you know what you need to do once you hit the ball with the baseball bat? Yeah, so once you hit the ball, say you're here and that's you, okay? That's you. you hit the ball, someone throws the ball to you, you hit it, then you need to run, and then there'll be some bases. There's first base, there's second base, and there's third base, and then this is the safe spot at the end. So what happens is if you hit the ball, then you run to that base, and if you touch it with your feet, then you are safe. But other people are trying to tag you if they have the ball. So it's kind of like a game of tag, but you also, some people are throwing the ball, some people are trying to hit it with the bat. Okay, Mike, and I'm sure that chat partners at home might have a better understanding of this game and might be able to explain it better than I can. I don't actually know a lot about baseball. I'm not really a baseball watcher, but that's my understanding of the game. Maybe you could spend some time talking about the rules at home. Mike got in the game. So the boy at the beginning of the story let him play, right? It was time to bat. So Mike is right here in this little picture of mine, and he's going to try to hit the ball. Let's see if he can do it. Oh, in our best Mike voice, "I hope I hit a home run," said Mike. Now, what is a home run? Well, to my understanding, a home run is when you hit the baseball really hard and you're able to go all the way around, touching all the bases, and then coming all the way around, and you're safe over here. You get a point for your team. And you do that all at one time. That's a home run. That's what you really want, right? Okay, let's see do you think he's going to be able to hit a home run? Everyone has this. Just ignore this cross out. It is a strange copying problem that I had with this book. So we're on page 4. Mike got a hit, but it was not a home run. Okay, so he was able to hit it and run maybe to the first or second base, but he didn't get all the way around. Mike ran. Mike had to get to the base. Mike was not safe. Oh no. Mike did not get to the base in time. So remember how I said it's like tag. See this boy behind him? See the ball here? The boy caught the ball and touched the base before Mike could get to it, and therefore he's out. He has to go sit down. Okay, that's all right. That's what happens in the game. Mike was sad. In your best Mike voice, and remember, he's sad. "I did not get a home run," said Mike. It was time to bat. In your best Mike voice, "I hope I get a hit," said Mike. If Mike gets a home run, he and his pals can win the game. So he has to hit it hard enough so he can run all the way around the bases. What do you think? Is it going to happen for him? I'm not sure. Mike did not get a hit. Mike had to get a hit. So he gets 3 tries. If he misses it, then he is out. The rule is 3 strikes, 3 misses, and you are out. So we're on page 11. There is a little problem with the copying. Don't worry. It will be all right though. We're on 11. But Mike did not get a hit. Oh. I can hit this, said Mike. This will be a home run. So we're going to go back to 14. There was just that weird copying problem I had. Mike hit it. It was a fine hit. Mike ran to the base. Ooh, are they going to tag him? Let's find out. Mike ran and ran. It was a home run. Oh. So what did he do? He ran all the way around the bases, right? Mike hit a home run. Mike and his pals did win the game. So how does Mike feel here? How did he end up winning the game? Talk this over.